On Tuesday, Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani unveiled the new tourism policy 2021-2025. He said Statue of Unity at Kevadia received more visitors than Agra's Taj Mahal. The new policy aims to develop specific areas in the state. Similar to the concept in the West, the government also wants to develop caravan and beach tourism like in Goa. Rupani, while talking to the media, said, "We want to boost the service sector industry by developing the tourism infrastructure in the state. In the latest tourism policy, we have stressed more on developing specific focused areas like we have developed the Statue of Unity site at Kevadia. The Statue of Unity has received an overwhelming response from tourists as it receives more visitors than the famous Taj Mahal." According to the new policy, a provision has been made for a minimum 1 crore rupees investment and 20% incentive for it, though there is no limit on maximum investment. This wasn't present in the past policy, which had a cap of 50 crore rupees investment and 15% subsidy on investment in new hotels, resorts, amusement parks, themes park, and water park. If the investment is more than 500 crore rupees, we will give 20% incentive on that, he added. Additionally, Gujarat CM said, "We want to start caravan tourism in Gujarat where tourists can form caravans and travel across the state. The government will offer 15% subsidy on 10 lakh rupees investment in the caravan tourism industry. The policy had intended accommodation in specific focused areas and investment worth more than 50 lakh rupees would give 15% incentive. The state government will be giving incentives to tourism development projects in focused areas. News Desk.